Voy a coger lo de la Scorpio. Mira, esto es para la mesa. Dos, por favor.
I was working on an advertising agency as a creative director because my background is from graphic designer, but I was focused on advertising. You know, I was fed up of doing the same job for 20 years, and one summer I started to build my own bike. We have no idea of mechanics and all this stuff. I would just do it for fun and for, you know, test myself that I could do it. It was a very great time. In Barcelona we have a very good weather. The people usually use the bike every day. That's why we like to make a very functional bikes. Also nice, but also functional.
Preacher man's coming, gotta get my soul clean.
In Barcelona, there is a great spirit in design. You feel that creative is everywhere. I try to inspire by the old bikes in the sense that at the beginning of the motorcycle, I think the bikes were very pure. You know, the essence was just two wheels and an engine and nothing else. So I think when I start a project with a bike, I try to keep it as simple as possible, you know. For me, it was a challenge. When I started to think about the Triumph project, I wanted to keep my own style that I'm usually doing on BMW on a Triumph. So I was inspired by the Speedway motorcycles, and I think that there's going to be a fuel bike at the end, but on a Triumph, not on a BMW. That was a challenge too.
Preacher man's arriving, gotta keep my temper in check. Yeah, the preacher man's arriving, gotta keep my temper in check. Gonna look into that mirror, gotta hear what I should. 'Cause once he's round the bends, I'm back to my wicked ways for good. Yeah, the preacher man's calling, gotta hear what I should.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we will have a look on the TRITEN.
Still once he's round the bend, I'm back to my wicked ways for good.